Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to draw Boza in 4 different styles. Let's get started.
This one is from my one and only true love, Princess Peach. Peach, you're so cool, and with my star we're gonna rule. Peach, understand, I'm gonna love you till the very end. Peaches, 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 oh yeah, peaches, 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 I love you. Oh, Mario, Luigi, and a Donkey Kong too. 1,000 troops of Koopas couldn't keep me from you. Princess Peach, at the end of the line, I'll make you mine. Oh, peaches, 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 I love you. Oh, peaches, peaches.
Well, this is all from me. Do comment down below which style was your favorite one. If you guys like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.